I can tell you with confidence that in 10 years' time, they'll not be the same.
Moving to our online stream, we see also artificial intelligence area. AI so khona ngefunza tinzaba sine sesitawusebenta but bathi-ke bayikhipha kanjani ke young people ukuthi bathi khona ngekukhompyutha ke in the future itabe dominator nge-artificial intelligence.
Okay, no, that's fine. So maybe perhaps just to share other stats. If you look at employment opportunities in Africa, today almost 80 million of Africans tend to lose their jobs when things change towards AI and digital transformation. However, if you look at the other side, perhaps new opportunities, new jobs, new positions, they're estimating about 93 million of those positions, which means the AI transformation that's going to take place, no matter times it is going to bring in new skills, it's going to bring in new opportunities, it's